Ciao amici, and welcome to the channel. I'm Mara, and this is La Voce Italiana, your daily dose of Italian pronunciation and weekly story time. I'm so glad you're here, because this channel is all about helping you speak Italian more clearly and confidently, one day at a time. So here is how it works. Every day, I'll guide you through 5 useful Italian phrases that you can repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. Then on Sundays, I'll read you an Italian short story, perfect for building your listening skills and expanding your vocabulary. You will also be able to download a free PDF of the phrases using the link in the description below. It includes the phrases, the translations, and a few bonus tips. So, are you ready to begin? Benissimo. Let's dive into today's 5 phrases. Repeat them after me. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Come stai? Come stai? Mi chiamo Mara. Mi chiamo Mara. Piacere di conoscerti. Piacere di conoscerti. Parlo poco italiano. Parlo poco italiano. A quick tip today. Remember, in Italian, always pronounce every vowel. Don't swallow them. It gives the language its musical rhythm, so don't be afraid of pronouncing your vowels. Great job, everyone. Now rewind and practice this recording as many times as you like. Pronunciation is a skill that you build up day by day, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to grab your PDF from the link below and like and subscribe to this channel so that you never miss a daily practice. And tune in this Sunday for your Sunday story. Each PDF below includes the phrases we practiced today, a simple explanation of the tricky sounds or patterns, extra phrases to practice on your own, and on Sundays, our Storytime PDF includes the full Italian short story, a line-by-line English translation, vocabulary and grammar highlights, and more. Va bene, allora, ci vediamo domani per le altre frasi italiane. See you tomorrow for more Italian phrases. Ciao, ciao!